Here I have drawn displacement versus distance graph. Okay, now this one here I am representing the transverse wave. Okay, peaks are known as crests and this one is known as trough. Clear? So this one up to this O to D is wavelength. Clear? O to D wavelength, so O to B half of wavelength, that is lambda by 2. O to A, that is lambda by 4. And remember that one, lambda means it is the linear distance between O to D, not the curved path. Is it clear? So half of wave lambda by 2 and half of that one, that is O to A. This linear scale, not the curved one. O to A is equal to lambda by 4. Okay. Now I am drawing displacement versus phase graph. One complete wave means phase difference between O to D is 2 pi. Here it is written O comma D. Phase difference between O and D 2 pi. So O to B half of the wave, so it will be pi. It is written. Then half of that one again O to A. That one will be pi by 2. Is it clear? Now next question is, what will be the phase difference between the points O and E? Look here, O to D it is 2 pi and this one is, we got pi by 2. So net phase difference between O to E is up to this 2 pi plus pi by 2. O and E. Okay, so phase difference between O and E, it is 2 pi plus pi by 2, that is 5 pi by 2. Actually look here, we can divide any wave into 4 segments. Okay, first segment, second segment, third segment, fourth segment. Clear? In terms of distance, this is lambda. In terms of distance, it is lambda, and in terms of angle, that is phase, it is 2 pi. And in terms of distance or length, this one is half of wave, lambda by 2. But in terms of phase difference between O to B, phase difference is pi. Here, now consider these two waves. Okay, A and corresponding point in this wave, it is A dash. So we can tell A and A dash are at same phase. In the above diagram B and in lower diagram B dash. B means this point and B dash means this point. They are at same phase. C, C dash, they are at same phase. D and D dash are at same phase. Similarly, E, E dash are at same phase. And F, F dash, they are at same phase. Clear?